So on iPhone, it is quite easy and simple to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. So you need to simply open up your YT Studio app. In case if you haven't installed it, simply go and install it from your app store. Now open this YT Studio app, and once the app is open, you need to go to that specific video that you want to add hashtag to. For that, I would go and tap on these three lines at the left top corner. Now go to videos, and here you can either scroll down or you can simply search at the top to go to the specific video. For example, I want to add the hashtags to this video. Open this up. Now go and tap on this pencil icon at the right top corner. And once this opens, simply go and tap on this pencil icon that is for the description. So basically you need to add the hashtags to the description. And for example, like this one, like I say, YouTube hashtag how to. So you can add maximum of 3 hashtags, like I say channel. Once you have added 3 hashtags, go back, tap on save at the right top corner, and now the hashtags are added to your video, and hope by doing so you will be able to add hashtags to your YouTube videos on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.